To start off, to make the ice cream pumpkin pie, you'll need 1 1/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 sugar, and 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix it together. Okay, now get your pie dish and pour your crumbs into it. Spread it around. Get a spoon and press it against the sides. And then the bottom. Okay, now you can use your hands to really press it down. Now you're going to want to put that in the refrigerator to get it cold, or else you can put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. See you in a little bit. To a bowl, add 1 1/2 cups of pumpkin puree. 1/2 cup brown sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. And 1/8 teaspoon of cloves. Mix that together. Set aside. You need 1 quart of softened vanilla ice cream. And to that, add your pumpkin mixture. Blend this all together. Now to your firm pie shell, add the pumpkin mixture. Then you're going to put this in the freezer till it hardens really firm. See you in a couple hours. Okay, it's been 4 hours and it's really firm. So now I'm going to put the topping on. You can use Cool Whip or whipped cream. It doesn't matter. Whatever you prefer. And just smear it around. Now you're going to set that aside. You're going to need some ginger snaps. You don't need a whole lot. Just take about 3 of the cookies and put them inside a baggie. And we're just going to crush them up. Now when you get them crushed up pretty good, we're going to sprinkle them over the topping. Now we're going to put the crushed ginger snaps cookies on top. Just sprinkle them around. As many as you like or as little. Now it's ready to cut. The first piece is always the hardest to cut. Looks pretty good. Now for the taste test. Guys, that really looks good. That is really delicious. You won't be disappointed when you make this. Really yummy. A really nice pumpkin flavor. This would be great for the holidays and so easy to make. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and I'll see you at my next one. Bye.